And next see the NOR gate. In NOR gate, two inputs produce a single output. This is the reverse operation of the OR gate. First we will see the logic symbol for NOR gate. Okay, first see the logic symbol for NOR gate. This is the reverse operation of the OR gate. So we connect the bubble. This is the logic symbol for NOR gate. Here two inputs, input A and input B, produces a single output, that is the Y output. Okay, and also write down the logic symbol, and this is the OR gate. This is the reverse operation of the OR gate. Okay, you can write down this one also. Okay, finally you write down this NOR gate symbol. Okay, by using the basic gates. Basic gate is the NOT gate. And next see the truth table for NOR gate. And here the inputs are inputs and output. Output is single output. Inputs are A and B. Two inputs produce a 4 combination 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, in NOR gate this is the reverse operation of the OR gate. In OR gate two inputs are low, then output is low. Coming to the NOR gate, this is the reverse operation of the OR gate, that is two inputs are low, then output is 1 and remaining all are zeros. This is the truth table for NOR gate. And next see the expression for NOR gate. Okay, here Y is the output, Y equal to A plus B. This is the OR gate expression. And you write down the NOR gate expression. So, complement of the OR gate. This is the expression for NOR gate. Okay, and next see the pin diagram. Pin diagram for NOR gate. By using IC 7402. Okay, in this pin diagram we are using the 14 pins. This one also dual link package. One side is the 7 pins and another side is the remaining 7 pins. Totally 7 pins. Here 7th pin is connected to the ground and 14th pin is connected to the power supply, that is VCC. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, here first pin is connected to the output and 2 and 3 are the inputs. 5, 6, 7th pin is connected to the ground and 14th pin is connected to the VCC, that is the power supply. Okay, here by using IC 7402. Okay, here first pin is connected to the output, that is 1 by. Here the inputs are 2 and third pins, that is 1A 1 way. This is the output pin. Okay, and next fourth pin is connected to the second output 2y, and this is 2a, 2b. Okay, and next 14th pin is connected to the power supply, that is VCC, and next 10th pin is connected to the output, and this is 8th pin is 3A, 9th pin is 3B. These are the inputs, and output is 3Y. Okay, 3Y. And next 12 and 11 and 12, these are the inputs, that is 4A, 4B, and 13th pin is connected to the output, that is 4Y. Here we are using the 4 NOR gates, that is 1, 4, and next 10 and 13. These are the output pins coming to the IC 7402 for NOR gate. Okay, how to connect the logic symbol? Here 14 pins. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14th pin is connected to the VCC and 7th pin is connected to the ground. Here we are using the IC number is IC 7402. Here the first pin is connected to the output, that is second pin is inputs to the NOR gate. NOR gate symbol is, first you draw the NOR gate symbol, and this is the one output. Okay, and next fourth pin is output. So 5 and 6 are the inputs to the NOR gate, and this is fourth pin is the output, and next 10th pin is the output, and 8th and 9th are the inputs to the NOR gate, and 10th pin is the output, and next 13th pin is the output. So 12 and 11 are the inputs to the NOR gate, and 13th pin is the output pin. Okay, this is the 7402 for the NOR gate. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 NOR gates are used in 14 pins. These are the dual in package. First we see the logic symbol, and next truth table, and next expression for NOR gate, and next pin diagram, and next how to connect the logic gate. Okay, this is overall about the NOR gate.